out to those details in a stand your ground case today. The man who was accused of murder in a deadly shooting outside a former bar in downtown St. Augustine is no longer facing charges. Today, a judge dismissed the case against Luis Casado in the shooting death of Adam Amoya. The judge says deadly force was self-defense and granted Casado's stand your ground motion, meaning he will no longer face criminal charges for the May 2022 or 2021 shooting outside the popular bar Dos Gatos. On your sides, Destiny McKeever is here now. And Destiny, you read 11 pages of documentation today, and it broke down why the judge says Casado was justified.
Yes, that's right. In this 11-page motion to grant immunity, the judge took the account of what happened at Dos Gatos that night and examined whether or not the defendant, Mr. Casado, would have felt a threat of bodily harm, and it was determined in this case he did.
In May of 2021, outside of Dos Gatos nightclub, Luis Casado shot and killed Adam Amoya. Before the shooting, Amoya struck Casado several times outside of the club. It was all caught on video. Amoya even seen knocking off Casado's glasses before the shooting. We spoke with attorney Shannon Schott, who is not connected to the case. She says the fact that Casado's glasses were knocked off helped with his stand your ground argument.
The issue, in my opinion, was the fact that his glasses were knocked off very early on in the interaction, and he would not have been able to see what was going on. He would only have been able to know and feel that he was being attacked.
Schott says stand your ground is used in a lot of defense arguments. Most notable in Florida was the stand your ground argument in George Zimmerman's case in the shooting death of Trayvon Martin. Schott says lawyers representing Casado have to be able to prove the use of deadly force was justified to fight force, physical or not.
One of the points that he made and found, one of the findings of fact that was found, was that both individuals were consuming alcohol. But another fact that was important was the fact that Mr. Casado had the gun on him prior to the interaction taking place.
First Coast News reached out to Adam Amoya's family as the ruling came down, and the family shared a statement saying they are incredibly devastated. They went on to say, "We miss and love Adam dearly." They also said they had no further comment as they wish to contact the rest of the family. Attorney Schott says Casado is now immune and will not face civil or criminal charges as it relates to the shooting death of Adam Amoya.
Now, we did receive a statement from Casado's attorney, Patrick Canan. He says the Casado family sends condolences to Adam Amoya's family and friends for the tragic loss of their loved one. He says the state didn't meet the burden of proving Casado was not justified. He says his client was attacked and defended himself. Back to you all.